So, to all those who saw my situation as an opportunity to make money, I pray God have mercy on you. People like MC Papilo, Yorewan of Paris, Ivie Nivier, and Godwin Eboa. May God have mercy on you guys. And on the other hand, I want to make this clear. If Erweiler one of Amsterdam did not do a DNA test for my child, it is not a do or die affair. I've already made my point clear to the whole world. It is not a do or die affair. I've been taking care of my child right from birth till now. The God has given me the grace to take care of her will still continue to give me the grace till she grows to a matured age that she can also take care of herself. So, I want to say it is not a do or die affair. It is not a political thing that you say, support me. No. So, please, it is not a do or die affair. I've made my points to the whole world. As a mom, I'm ready for a DNA test. Anything other than that, I'm not gained. If it doesn't want to do a DNA test, as long as everyone knows is the father of my child, I'm good. I'm very good. It is not a do or die affair. Do not crack your head over it. The Lord who has blessed me with the child will sustain me and my child. You understand? So, fans all over the world, I want to say I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you so, so much. And I've come to tell everyone, let peace reign. It is not a do or die affair. It is not. Everyone who spoke ill against me without knowing what happened, I forgive you. Speaking ill against my child, I forgive you. I pray God have mercy on you. And I also ask for the mercy of God upon my life. So, I love you all. And I appreciate you. I appreciate you all for showing me love. I appreciate you all for calling me, for showing that you care. I needed to do this for the sake of you guys. I needed to do this for the sake of your love. I feel loved 100%. I feel loved 100%. For the sake of this, I ask that it is not a do or die affair. I've already made my points known to the world. If it doesn't do the DNA, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. So, thank you guys. Thank you all. I bless you, everyone, for standing by me. I bless you for your words of advice. There are some people who called me in the first, second days trying to calm me down, but I did not listen, because there's time for everything. But at the end of the day, I saw love. I felt loved from the heart of every one of you, and I appreciate that love. For the sake of that love, I've come out to humble myself and say, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the causes. I'm sorry for the insults. I'm sorry for the abuse. And it is not a do or die affair. I thank you all for listening to my voice. Thank you guys for giving me listening ears. Thank you for your quick response to my cry. So, I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you. I'm forever grateful. I'm forever grateful to you guys. May God bless you all. May God bless you all. I'm forever, ever grateful. I can't thank you guys enough. I can't thank you guys enough for your love, for your calls, endless calls that you put through to me, the messages, way forward, everything. Thank you all. Thank you so much. And I announce to you, it is not a do or die affair. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I love you. Bye. Have a pleasant night rest. From your lady, Shine Francis Odige, aka Yellow no. From your lady, Shine Francis Odige, aka Yellow no Muse Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness. Obonaya Gboyoma, Ave Yasie Kegbe. Obonuwaya Gbeme, Wave Yasi Mekegbe. Asano balon wale ya finemi, wave ya lehwe. Wa ya lehwe. Iyu waila one of Amsterdam, ya lehwe. Waila ya lehwe. Fans all over the world, friends, enemies, wa ya lehwe. Let love reign. Love you. Bye. Good evening. Good evening, people. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. It's your lady Shine Francis Odige, aka Yellow no Muse Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness. Yes, I did a video this morning, but I noticed that there was no audio. I noticed that there was no audio on that video. So this evening, I decided to do a retake of the video. Yeah, I want to appreciate women all over the world, well-meaning Nigerians who has been standing by me, who stood by me thick and thin, fighting for justice for my innocent daughter. I want to thank every one of you. I want to thank my fans all over the world who believe in me, who believe in my fights. You know, may God bless each and every one of you richly. I really do appreciate you all. I appreciate you. And also, I want to use this medium to give an apology to EU Weiler 1 of Amsterdam, Florence Edo, aka EU Weiler 1 of Amsterdam, and her kids. EU Weiler 1 of Amsterdam, I'm so sorry. I'm deeply sorry for raining curses on you. I'm sorry for insulting Weiler, EU Weiler 1 of Amsterdam, Florence Edo. Find a place in your hearts to forgive me. It was out of anger. I was really, if I think of the past, I will be angered, you know. But sometimes, if I think of the past, I just feel, I don't know how I feel. But that was why I reacted that way. I know I overreacted. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Owaila, my beautiful daughter, my cause have nothing to do in your life. The same mouth I used to insult you, Owaila, the same mouth I used to return the curse. It is not your portion. It is not the portion of your mom. It is not our portion. Please, I'm deeply sorry. I'm a mom also. I thought it wise. I will not be happy if any woman elsewhere rain curses on me. I will not be happy if any woman elsewhere rain curses on my child. Please, EU Weiler 1 of Amsterdam and the daughter have come in total humility, in total humbleness of heart, to appeal to you to forgive me. I've come to humble myself to tell you that I return the curse. Whatever I said with my mouth against you, I return it. It will never be your portion. It will never be the portion of your child. It will never be our portion. I reject it. And I've come to say, I love you guys. If it wasn't for what happened, seeing your pictures, you are beautiful. You are an amazing woman. You are a beautiful woman I also admire. I admire you a lot. And I want to also applaud your patience. I want to applaud you for your patience. In all of these things that has been happening, you never uttered a word. So, I want to say I'm deeply sorry. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. It was just that I was really hurt. I felt terribly betrayed. I felt terribly disorganized against my personal plan of my life. So, to all those who saw my situation as an opportunity to make money and speak ill to my child,